So it came with this cup holder thing too, which I guess goes here. I'm trying to yeah, this thing, it's like a non-slip thing, and it goes there like that. Or maybe you can use the other side probably. Like that. And then underneath this part, you can add batteries. Add batteries for this display here, which I'm going to do that shortly. I like those pictures when they have pictures to tell you which side goes where. But anyways, we should do it. Okay. And then the non-slip stuff for my cup holder. Ooh, it has scan, timer, speed. Pretty nice. This thing operates too. Tells you how many calories you burn and all that. Oh, and I guess this, you can move this knob to kind of minus one is good for me. So then it takes one goes in here. And you just screw it in. I can show you that. Right there. And you can pretty much just screw this thing in. And see if this thing is secure. At least that's what the instructions had said. And let's see. Okay, that's pretty much it. So it took me a while to understand that the right handlebar here lets you adjust the height of your desk, so it can move up and down. Wow, it can go actually very up there. Okay, for tall people. Okay, nice. So now, as you can see, it's all set for me to use. I'm not in my gym clothes. I think I need this to be a little bit on the, yeah. And see now my long legs can fit. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. I do have to come over there and switch off the video mode. Thank you, guys. Oh yeah, as a motivation, I feel like this is really nice because, you know, I can just work out at home. This is what being in late 30s means for me. You know, my diet is whatever, but I try to control as much as I can. I switched to seltzer with a dash of Pepsi for my sweetness, and then that's it, guys. Taking care of yourself, having life insurance, some investments, and here we go. Here is to help. Ta-da!